so much for this wonderful opportunity in Tech FEU Tech. And we want to take this opportunity to invite everyone to join the mission. We want to invite everyone to let's spark the conversation, let's partner together, let's work together and really improving our education system. In terms of emerging technologies, we want to explore the different possibilities with you. We want our students to even create systems that are our speakers and we can communicate. So yes, we are open, very much open to doing another run with innovation and even hopefully with other FEU students as well. So yeah, I think this opportunity again to invite everyone to join our mission and partner with Philippine Thank you.
Okay, so ano ba party words ko? I invite you to enroll. So, again, thank you.
Message na lang po po.
We have master's degree. Hindi ka mo nag-promote pa. So again, so thank you everyone for being here. So thank you also to PCC, to Gino, or I'm actually wondering why it's Gino. Kasi it's Gabriel, di ba? So Gino for partnering with us. So also sharing with us yung mission namin to really expand the access of technology through first awareness and also learning with it and reaping the benefits also of technology. So we're not just again producing talents in terms of our graduates, but we also would like to help in nation building or building national technology capacity. Kasi it starts all with awareness, then learning and adapting and living and reaping the benefits of technology. So I think that's all. Thank you very much.
Sir, Engineer Daryl, you have something to say?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to say, whatever industry that we are in, hindi tayo mapapalitan ng AI. Kasi merong higher order thinking skill na pinaprovide ang mga tao na hindi mapapalitan ng AI. Siguro, ang mas importante na tanong is, handa ba tayong gamitin yung AI para sa sarili natin? So I think that's a better question. And huwag tayong matakot because schools like FEU Institute of Technology, organizations just like Philippine Coding Camp, are here to help us out. So I think yun yung perfect message. And also, napaka-importante kasi meron kaming graduate na nasa sector nyo. And napaka-importante that we're building also communities of practice where we can share these best practices. And everybody is always welcome, whether that's entertainment, that's transportation sector, agriculture, you're always welcome here in the academy to relearn and to upskill and reskill yourselves. All for the nation building. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, AI is a tool. We manage the tool. So for us at FEU Tech, we want our students to be industry relevant. And that means we have to cope up with the fast change of technology. And we have to provide them with the right education and the right skill sets in order to be competitive outside of the classroom. So this is one of the things that we do, partner with organization that's credible, which is PCC. And through our partnership, it's not only the customer or the third-party customer benefits from the partnership. It is also the institution because we also learn from the problems of BCC's customers. So we also upgrade ourselves. So with this, I'd like to thank everybody, including PCC, for trusting FEU Tech and partnering with FEU Tech. And we look forward to a more in-depth, meaningful, nation changer activities, not only with PCC, but with other organizations that has the same objective, which is we need to help each other to help our country. Thank you.
And right now, sir, meron po kayong activity with the PCC today, ongoing.
Ito po. The Philippine Military Academy and the Armed Forces of the Philippines are here. So they've provided them with resource speakers, which is top caliber resource speakers for an educational forum in terms of research.
Ang mga attendees po, mga students, or
There are we have students attending kaninang umaga. And then the PMAers are here and the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
this is for today lang po, or may another case din.
This is for today only, for FU Tech. But I think I would like to turn it over para ma-inform rin.
May mga following activities po ba kayo, sir? You can mention na rin po para
Actually, for next year, January, we're gonna have the Southeast Asian Stakeholder Summit on Generative AI for Education. So it's a conference that has been going on for 3 years. For the last 2 years, it was in Malaysia, and this year we're doing it here in the Philippines. I mean, we're still the ASEAN chair even until, I believe, February 2027. So it's very timely for the Philippines. So we'll be bringing together different speakers from all over ASEAN, different people from the government, academia, and industry to really spark the conversation when it comes to generative AI. Because right now, again, it's a hot topic, and people are, I'd say, a little bit confused on how to use it. Everyone uses AI, or if you don't use AI, I'd say use it. But are we using it properly? So these are some of the things that we will be discussing in the forum. Best practices from all over the globe. So we invite you to partner with us and also join us during that event.
Thank you po, congratulations. Photos na lang po tayo. Okay po, dito na lang po sa front po after the main.
Here po. This side. Sorry.
Thank you very much po. And welcome to FEU Tech Innovation Center. Maraming salamat po. If you want a tour, please let us know lang.